Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to set up Google Ads remarketing using an audience from Google Analytics. Remarketing lets you show ads to people who've already visited your website. And apart from targeting your ads, you can also use audiences in Google Ads for reporting, which can provide deeper insights into campaign performance. Before we begin, I want to mention that remarketing can also be set up using the dedicated Google Ads remarketing tag. However, we're just going to cover the steps to create audiences in Google Analytics, as it's usually the easiest and most flexible approach. Okay, let's head to Google Analytics. I've already logged into my demo property, so to create an audience, let's navigate to Admin. And then select Data Display and choose Audiences. This is where we can view any existing audiences and create new ones. Google Analytics automatically includes two default audiences. These are the All Users and Purchasers lists. Now we're going to create a new audience. We're going to create an audience for people who viewed a services page on our website but didn't complete the form. So we'll include people who didn't convert in our audience. We can then use this in Google Ads to encourage people to come back to the website and complete the form. However, I do want to flag that you can create audiences for a whole range of different behaviors. You can create audience lists for e-commerce actions through to engagement for content and branding websites. If you'd like some inspiration, I recommend downloading my 25 Ideas for Audience Lists PDF. You can find a link to get the resource in the description below this video. Okay, now let's select New Audience. At the top is the option to create a new audience from scratch, and below this are suggested templates you can use. These templates might be slightly different in your property because they're based on the objective that was selected when the property was created. For this audience list, let's select Create a Custom Audience. And let's name the audience Viewed Services Page, No Conversion. Now let's add our condition. Let's search for Page Path and Screen Class. And let's click Add Filter. Let's change the matching to Begins With. Now we'll enter /services/. This means anybody who views a page where the URL begins with /services/, will be included in this audience. You can, of course, adjust this for your website. And we're going to leave the default option for the time period and click Apply. Now let's add a condition to exclude particular people from our audience list. Let's select Add Group to Exclude. At the top, we can see it says Exclude from Audience temporarily. This means that people will only be excluded from the list based on its membership duration. This is a good option to use if people can convert again in the future. But for our service-based lead form example, we want to exclude people from being re-added to the list. So let's select this and change it to Exclude from Audience permanently. Now let's add our condition. Let's search for and select the generate_lead event. This means that once someone submits the contact form and our generate lead event is collected, they will be removed from our audience list. On the top right corner, you can control how long people should be included in the audience. I'm going to leave the default of 30 days, but you can change this. Okay, now let's click Save. We've now created our Google Analytics audience. To use audiences in Google Ads, you'll need to check two things. First, your Google Analytics property needs to be linked to Google Ads, and you'll also need to enable Google Signals. If your accounts aren't connected yet, you can find a link to my dedicated tutorial in the description below this video. If your accounts are linked and Google Signals is enabled, the audience you create in Google Analytics should be available in your Google Ads account straight away. To check this, let's head to Google Ads. I've already logged into my demo account, so to find our audiences, let's select Tools, then Shared Library, and select Audience Manager. By default, the Your Data Segments tab is selected, and this will include all of your audience lists, including audiences created directly in Google Ads and audiences imported from Google Analytics. Since there are audiences created in my demo account, let's add a filter to make this easier to see. Let's click Add Filter. Now let's scroll down and select Source. And let's choose Google Analytics GA4. And click Apply. Once your audience from Google Analytics appears here and meets the minimum list size requirements, you can use it with your campaigns. This includes your search, display, YouTube, and Performance Max campaigns. And for your Performance Max campaigns, these audiences are used as signals to guide automatic optimization. And just a quick reminder that you can also create remarketing audiences directly inside Google Ads too. So that's how to create an audience in Google Analytics and find it in your linked Google Ads account. You'll now be able to apply the audience to your campaigns for targeting or observation. To learn even more about Google Analytics and Google Ads, please take a moment to check out my courses. And if you found this video helpful, please like it so I know to make more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.